Hey there, in this video you will be finding out how to start writing an episode, from where to write. So here we start. Of course, firstly open your browser and search episodeinteractive.com login. It will take you to the result page. You can either click on the first option, the second option, and the third. I'm clicking on the second option for now. If you are an iOS user, you will have to do some verification first, or else it will take you directly to the episode portal. So now to create your first story, you will have to click on this create new button. You will see this pop up or a peep screen. Here you will put in your story title, the description, and the genre. Even if you can change your title, description, and the genre anytime, but I recommend you to choose your story title first before starting your story, or else if you just put a random name here, then that random name will be your story URL here. So yes, I suggest you choose the title first. So for now I'm putting tutorials, and in description I am putting my tutorials, and you can choose your genres from these, and that are action, adventure, comedy, drama, fantasy, horror, LGBTQ+, mystery, sci-fi, romance, thriller. I'm choosing comedy for now, and click on the create new button after filling these information. It will take you to the story dashboard directly. You will receive this small guide through this yellow bubble. So let's start working on a story. So after clicking on the character button, you will see this pop up. Here you will choosing your character style for your story. There are three styles available: first, limelight, the ink, and the classic. So I will be sticking to the limelight, but yes, the coding will be same for all the styles, only animations will be different. So choosing the limelight for now. Then choose a format for the story, that is cinematic and spotlight. So you can see the difference clearly, I guess. So however, most people don't like the story with spotlight format, so sticking with the cinematic. After choosing style, you will reach the character page, choose a role, and then name your character here. So I'm naming her MC for now, and then click on the create and save button. So now you can customize your character from here: the body types and the body color, brows and brows color, hair and hair color, eyes, face, nose, and lips. After customizing your character, click on the Save Changes button. To save your character, create another character, click on the New Character button. Then again, select a role, name your character. I'm naming him Paul. Then again, click on Create and Save button. Then again, customize him. and click on Save Changes button. So you can create a new character always and anytime. So I'm taking back, and again you will reach to the episode portal again. From here you will be creating new outfits, and when you click on the speech bubbles, you will choosing speech bubble styles from for your story, and that are these. I'm sticking with this one right now. And to start your first chapter, you will click on this new episode button here. I'm leaving the portal right for now to give you a complete guide to the portal and just so you can know the portal better. So from here you will be finding like backgrounds, overlays, clothing, and the animations. You can see the backgrounds provided by episode here, and the overlays provided by them, clothings, and no, you can't create your new clothing or dresses from here. It's just for seeing and the animation. And the community button is for the episode forums. You will be connected to the other authors and the readers from here, and the help is for the guidelines and some support and writer payments, etc. I mean, you can gain lots of information from here and the payments. So it's basically when you just publish your story and you can just keep a track for when are you going to unlock your payments. So I think that's all for now. I think that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so you can get lots of new tutorials, and bye. Thank you.